This is part 5 of what you should know about gum disease. We'll continue with the introduction. Much like a biography or a set of memoirs, my aim is to recount a period of my life. I talk about fighting gum disease in this book, and I talk about preventing it. I never talk about diagnosing it, treating it, or curing it. Those things are what your dentist is for. I will tell you how I fought and continue to fight gum disease, as well as the tools that I have used and found to be useful in that fight. I do not intend to give you advice. If you want advice, diagnosis, or treatment, then you should visit your dentist or periodontist. In fact, if you are not already under the care of a dentist, then you should put this book down and make a few phone calls. This is very important. Being under professional care is critical to your health and to the health of your gums. There are many reasons I bring this up. I'm pretty sure that some readers have not visited a dentist or a periodontist for some time. If that is the case, you really should go, and do not stop going ever again. The stakes are pretty high, and you should not risk the consequences. It is a coin toss that you could lose every time. Whether or not you have gum disease, you should definitely be under the care of a dentist or periodontist. In the case of other non-dental health problems or suspected health problems, you should be under a physician's care. A case in point, the other night I received a call from a woman who told me neither she nor her husband had been to a dentist for a while. The husband finally got a job with decent health care benefits. When he went to the periodontist, he found out that he needed some pretty drastic treatment to save his teeth. 4 of his front teeth needed some type of metal brace to keep them from falling out. It sounded like he needed a lot of surgery to fix the problems he had developed over the years. Even with his benefits and insurance, he was going to have to pay a pretty hefty sum of money to rectify his problem. As you might already be aware, as many as 80% of adults suffer from some form of gum disease. In most cases, this does not have to be. A good number of people, as in my personal example, are not even aware that they are suffering from gum disease. This could be part of the reason that the Surgeon General labeled dental disease a silent epidemic. And as a side note, dental professionals tell us that 75% of people have gum disease. Ask any dental professional, they will tell you. And 75%, in case you are wondering, equates to 3 out of every 4 people. The problem is, most of those people don't know they have it. And I would ask you, what are the chances that you're in the other 25%? The sad truth is that even if you did everything I have done to fight back against gum disease, it might not work for you. You might not get the results that I have, and you might not be able to effectively stop or prevent gum disease. Even in medicine, there are no guarantees. Results vary based on a number of factors. Medicine is not a science, it is an art. You can take a specified quantity of a certain drug and insert it into 2 human bodies in correctly specified doses and get 2 entirely different results. In other words, you cannot take a known quantity or quality and add it to an unknown quality or quantity and get exactly predictable results. 1 plus x does not equal 2 unless x equals 1. Since, as in the case of different human bodies, we do not know what x equals, the answer to the equation cannot be predicted accurately every time. Oftentimes, there is nothing more than an educated guess guiding you. Has your doctor ever had you try one medicine only to discover that another works better or has fewer side effects? See what I mean? This ends part 5 of what you should know about gum disease. Look for part 6. You can find more information about this book at whatyoushouldknowaboutgumdisease.com, and you can find more products that I think are worthwhile at toothygrinstore.com. Thanks for listening. Shen Yun is a high-quality show coming to a city near you. I highly recommend it. Look for it, see it, enjoy it. Shen Yun. Remember to subscribe to this channel.